That time it used to take 3 days minimum to get all the data, collate it, and show it that this is the inventory available. And key point here is that this was actually data or prepared by job worker. It was not getting reconciled anywhere. They were giving, they were what based on their transaction, whatever they are recording, and there we are not very sure that what is the percentage of error in their calculation there itself.
So if we include that, then how long?
Uh,
How long will that take?
No.
Reconciliation.
No, if we wanted to do reconciliation, then again after 3 days of getting that data again, so that took 3 days, and then again next day we had to go there and get inventory verified. At least 4 resources of Hindalco has to go there and check it, and they can then again reconcile it. And so it is it requires huge manpower to do all this. So all that entire is out now, and what we have now is availability of data at any click, on just a click at a click. So that is one of the greatest benefit which this system has given us, which we